Hello friends, once again. So today what I'll teach you is square and square roots. So squares are the numbers when you multiply the same number twice, like 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. So 4 is called a square, and because when 2 is multiplied twice you get 4. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and so on. So I'll quickly tell you the basic square numbers from 1 to 10. So they are 1, 4, 9, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. So it's 1 square, this is 2 square, 3 square, I missed on 4 square, which is 16. Let me write it here. So it's 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and 10 square. So these are the squares of smaller numbers. But if you have to find out the squares or the square roots of bigger numbers, I'll tell you the method which is called the prime factorization method. There are basically two methods to find out the square roots. Prime factorization method is used to find the square roots of perfect squares. So perfect squares are numbers which are obtained when you multiply two whole numbers together. Like for example, I'll give you a number 36. Let's find out the square root of 36. So the symbol for square root is this. Make something like this and write the number. So square root of 36 by prime factorization method would be, I take 36. Now I have to find the prime factors of 36. So 2, we take 3, so it's 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1, it goes here. And 16 is 2 8s are 16. Now it's 2, so 2 9s are is 18, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are is 2. So now what I get is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now since it is a square, we make pairs of 2 2. And you consider that as 1 unit. So I can write 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And when I make pairs of two same numbers, I get finally one set of 2 and one set of 3. So under root of 36 would be 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. And we know that the square root of 36 is 6 because it's a smaller number, so we all know what is the answer. So the next example that I'm taking is square root of 225. Again, I remind you, this is the symbol for square root. So by prime factorization method, you need to do it this way. 225 is taken this way. Now it goes in the table of 5. Since it is ending in 5, so I take 5. I take 22, so it is 5 4s are 20. Remainder 5 goes here. Now it's 5. Again 45 goes in the table of 5, so it is 5. 9s are 45. 9 goes in the table of 3, so it is 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. So if I make pairs again of 2 2, I get 225 as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Now you make pairs of 2 numbers. And now the square root of 225. You have to take this whole as one entity. So it will be 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. Hence the square root of 225 is 15. So let's take one more example. The number is 676. You need to find out the square root of 676. So by prime factorization method, it would be, since it is ending in 6, so this is a number which is divisible by 2. So I take 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. So 1 goes here and it is 2 8s are 16. Again 2, so 2 1s are 2, remainder goes here. 2 6s are 12, remainder goes here, and now it is 9. Then it is 13, 14s are 169, and now it is 13 1s are 13. So if I have to find out the square root, I again make pairs of numbers? Same numbers. So square root of 676 would be 2 into 13, which is equal to 26. So friends, today you learned how to find out the square root of perfect squares by the prime factorization method. There is one more method which is more widely used and it is useful in all the numbers, be it a perfect square or not, and that is called the long division method, which I'll share with you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care and keep loving maths. So friends, in the end, I would like to request that please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I post more and more videos on mathematics. Till then, ta-da!